dear exporters and importers over there, do you know that every export or import transactions has three dimensions attached to it? Yes. Today we are going to decode the three dimensions of any trade transaction is concerned. The first is the good specific or services specific which you are dealing with. Every good or service which you are going to export or import has its own set of DGFT regulations and FIMA regulations as well. Please be clear before enrolling into that. Second is the exchange specific. What is the return in exchange which you are going to get in lieu of the goods or services? Mainly the foreign exchange involved. Because in some cases it may not be a foreign exchange, it may be a netting off or a sample transaction or a free of cost transaction. So second is the exchange specific. Third is the bank specific. Every bank in the world has its own set of rules and regulations to take up a export or a import transactions. Kindly be clear when you are going to hand over the export or import transactions for handling to the respective bank. Take care. Thank you.